Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new folder to favorites in SAP Many. So we're here in SAP Easy Access and we have our favorites. We also have 3 transactions that we added here, and let's say we want to organize it a bit better than it is and make new folders for the models that these transactions belong to. So what do we have to do? We need to go to favorites, right click and insert folder, and then we have to put the name. The first one, let's make it material management, and let's add another one with a name of production orders, and there's also one about sales, so let's add sales orders. So now we have 3 folders that we just added, and now let's organize the transactions. So we put one each to the respective categories, and we have it organized like that. If you want to add another transaction later, we click on the folder, go to insert transaction, and we just put the code, and that's it, pretty much. That was super easy, wasn't it? Please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.